Clever any-like function to check if at least n elements are true. Say I have an iterable, in my case a list. I know that the easiest and fastest way to check if at least one of those elements is true is simply to use any L, which will return true. But what if I want to check that at least 2 elements are true? My goal is to process it in the fastest way possible. My code right now looks like this, for 2 elements. This is about 10 times slower than any, and does not seem very Pythonic to me.
You could simply use an iterator over the sequence and check that any on the iterator returns always true for n times. The key point here is that an iterator remembers the position it was last, so each any call will start where the last one ended. And wrapping it in all makes sure it exits early as soon as one any is false. At least performance-wise this should be faster than most other approaches. However, at the cost of readability. If you want to have it even faster, then a solution based on map and itertools.repeat can be slightly faster. Benchmarked against the other answers. This does only the needed iterations. Now,
Use some.
Presumably any goes through the iterable until it finds an element that is true, and then stops. Your solution scans all of the elements to see if there are at least 2. Instead, it should stop scanning as soon as it finds a second true element.